How y'all doing there?
Back up like a half a step. Good.
Riz here, Digit 9. Today's video, I am going to be showing you how to cut a track. That's right, we're going to take a $1,700 track and we're going to cut a ½ inch off each side so it fits in the kitty. Real life, bro. Real life. You're going to need a 1.5 inch straight edge. It can be anything. I just found an old chunk of steel laying around. Ideally, you want something straight and clean. This isn't clean, but then you're going to strap it to the track. You're going to use the lugs, the nubs that drive off the drivers for a guide. Then it's perfectly straight. So you do that. Make sure you get a brand new knife in your cutoff knife, or a brand new blade. Sorry, and that's all you need. And then you just take the plunge and start cutting. You don't want to push too hard right off the get-go. You want to get your line started because you don't want to be duplicating and do a little bit at a time. It'll eventually go through. It's not hard. You got to remember those fiberglass rods they have in here nowadays don't even come out to the side. See, I've only made 3 or 4 passes and I'm already cut through. So it's working really well. You want your knife to slide a little bit easier through this stuff. Put a little hand cleaner on it. Just slides through there like nothing. On top of just cutting the track, doesn't just make the track a little bit, does make the track a little bit lighter, but to make that track spin over easier, you got to make sure you got all the clips on it. Some tracks come clipped, some don't. So most tracks, they save weight, right? All the manufacturers are coming out with every second clip missing for weight. It does not help your sled turn over at all because it gets sticky. The rubber gets sticky on the slider. So to put clips on, so as you guys can see here, I'm using a tool with an impact wrench. You can also buy a tool that is just a squeezer type tool. It's not as effective because there's different manufacturers of the clips. Camoplast actually builds the best clips. If you can get them from Camoplast, and I believe you can get them on Amazon, they're a lot stronger, which you need this impact to do, this certain tool that I'm using in the video. And they stay on better, they don't fly off, because I know some of you guys probably heard that the clips fly off on some things. Depends on the clips you buy. You notice a huge difference if you put the clips on the track on every window. That thing rolls over so much nicer. Oh my God! Look how easy that rolls over. I bet you can't do that with a stock sled. Try it, guys. Yeah, there's no clutch on there, but take it off and try to spin a track like that. This thing is gonna be wicked. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. Fuck yeah. Love it. So we've had a ton of questions about track cutting. In our previous video of the track install with the new drivers and the new track, I explained kind of the track cutting, but never really did a video on it. So I hope this video helps you guys out. And please put your comments below so we can tell if you like it or not like it. And don't forget to subscribe.